Cells are the fundamental units of life, much like bricks are the building blocks of a house. They are tiny membrane-bound compartments containing all the necessary machinery to sustain life. From the single-celled bacterium to the complex human body composed of trillions of cells, life as we know it wouldn't exist without these microscopic wonders. Think of a cell as a bustling city. It has a central government, the nucleus, which houses the genetic blueprint, DNA. It has power stations, the mitochondria, generating energy, and it has factories, the ribosomes, churning out essential proteins. All these components work in unison, ensuring the smooth functioning of the cell and in turn the organism itself. The importance of cells cannot be overstated. They provide structure and support, carry out metabolism and transmit genetic information from one generation to the next. Without cells, life as we know it would cease to exist. Imagine a city that keeps growing without building new houses or infrastructure. Chaos would ensue. Similarly, cells must divide to ensure the organism's growth, repair and continuity. This process, called cell division, is fundamental to life. Growth is a key reason for cell division. As organisms grow, they need more cells to increase in size and complexity. Imagine a child growing into an adult. This transformation is fueled by countless cell divisions. Cell division is also crucial for repairing damaged tissues. When you cut your finger, cells divide to replace the damaged ones, healing the wound. This remarkable ability to regenerate is essential for survival. Finally, cell division ensures the continuation of life. Through specialized cell division, organisms produce offspring, passing on their genetic legacy to the next generation. Without this process, life would come to a standstill. Mitosis is the process by which a single cell replicates itself, creating two identical daughter cells. It's akin to a photocopier, producing exact replicas of the original. This process is crucial for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. The first stage, interphase, is a period of intense preparation. The cell grows, duplicates its DNA, and prepares for division. Imagine a student diligently studying before an exam. That's interphase for you. Next comes prophase, where the replicated DNA condenses into visible chromosomes and the nuclear envelope breaks down. Picture a neatly organized library suddenly scattering its books. That's prophase in action. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up at the cell's equator, like soldiers in formation, ready for inspection. This alignment ensures that each daughter cell receives a complete set of chromosomes. Anaphase is characterized by the separation of sister chromatids, identical copies of chromosomes, that are pulled apart to opposite poles of the cell. Imagine pulling apart two sides of a zipper. That's essentially anaphase. Telophase follows, where the chromosomes reach the opposite poles, the nuclear envelope reforms, and the chromosomes unwind. Picture the library books returning to their shelves and the library reopening. That's telophase. Finally, cytokinesis marks the division of the cytoplasm, resulting in two identical daughter cells, each with a complete set of chromosomes. Imagine cutting a cookie in half. That's cytokinesis, the final step in this cellular choreography.